Hello everyone, a very happy morning to all of you. I hope you all are well and enjoying my classes. Let's start our today's session. Do you know what we are going to learn today? Today we are going to learn to start a new topic, air. Now students, firstly let's do an activity related to the topic of air. For this activity students, first please switch off the fan of your room. Have some pieces of paper and have some pieces of paper on the table. Now students, do you know what will happen when we switch off the fan? Students, the pieces of the paper start flying like this. Students, have you observed why the pieces start flying when we switch on the fan? Students, they start flying because of the wind. Do you know what is wind? Wind is air. Well, students, do you know wind moves things from one place to another? Now students, open your book Icon Achiever Level 5. Open page number 27. Here students, you will have to match the following pictures. One has been done for you. Now students, you can see the first picture is a picture of a balloon full of air. And on the other side students, you can see the last picture is also picture of balloon. But there is no air in this balloon. So match the picture of the balloon full of air with the other balloon without air. Now students, you can see the second picture is a picture of a candle. In the air, students, you can see the candle is blowing. When there is blowing, when the air is surrounding it. And on the other side, you can see there is also candle, but there is no air on its surrounding. That's why the candle is not blowing air. Help candle to blow, so match the blowing candles with the unblowing candle students. The next picture is a picture of a plant which is outside in the air, and you can see this plant is well growing and the leaves and the flowers of this plant are very fresh. And on the other side, you can see the other plant does not have air surrounding it, so you can observe that the leaves and the flowers of the plants are not fresh. So match these plants. Snow. Students, you can see the last picture is a picture of a tire, and this tire is full of air, so we can rotate it on the other side. You can see the tire is not having air. The air from the air has flown out, so we can't rotate the tire. So match the full air tire without air tire. Students, open page number 6 of your phonetic booklet. Here students, we read the words, I sound words. B-I-N, bin. F-I-N, fin. W-I-G, wig. N-I-B, nib. T-I-N, tin. B-I-G, big. L-I-P-S, lips. P-I-N, pin. B-I-B, bib. H-I-T, hit. F-I-G, fig. S-I-X, six. S-I-T, sit. K-I-D, kid. Students, read these words. After that, see the pictures and match the following pictures with words. Students, open your phonic book. Open page number 46. Here students, you read the words and practice writing them here. Students, G-A-V-E, give. S-A-V-E, save. W-A-V-E, wave. B-R-A-V-E, brave. G-A-M-E, game. N-A-M-E, name. S-A-M-E, same. T-A-M-E, tame. Students, open page number 47. Students, read and write. B-I-T-E, bite. K-I-T-E, kite. H-I-D-E, height. R-I-D-E, right. S-I-D-E, side. B-I-K-E, bike. H-I-K-E, hike. L-I-K-E, like. Now students, open page number 48. Students, read and write here also. N-O-T-E, note. V-O-T-E, vote. J-O-K-E, jog. S-M-O-K-E, smoke. H-O-P-E, hop. R-O-P-E, rope. C-L-O-P-E, slope. S-T-O-N-E, stone. Students, read and write carefully. Now students, let's do an activity. In this activity, students, I have some cutouts of kites. Now students, you join these cutouts like this. Students, do you like to flying kites? See. Now make. This. Now students, our kites are ready for flying. Students,
students, open your book.
5. Students, open page number 28. Here students, we will write the correct word under each picture. Use the words given in the box. B-I-B bib, B-I-N bin, P-I-N pin, K-I-T kit, S-I-T sit. Now students, see, the first picture is a picture of bin. So write here B-I-N bin. Students, the second picture is a picture of pin. So write here P-I-N pin. In the third picture, a child sitting on a chair. So write here sit. S-I-T sit. Fourth picture is a picture of bib. So write here B-I-B bib. Fifth and the last picture is a picture of a kit. So write here K-I-T kit. Now students, open page number 29. Here students, you decorate the kite. You decorate the kite with glaze paper, fingerprinting, any other materials like stars, stones, pulses, etc. Now students, in this activity I have a one sheet, pencil and some colors. Now students, let's draw a kite. The kite shape is diamond shape. Make thread also. You make face. And color it with crayons. Color this picture with any color which you like most. Five good friends outside having fun until our mother called for one to come and eat some more. 5 minus 1, that leaves 4. 4 good friends outside having fun until our mother called for one to come and have some tea. 4 minus 1, that leaves 3. 3 good friends outside having fun until our mother called for one to come and find her shoe. 3 minus 1, that leaves 2. 2 good friends outside having fun until our mother called for one to come home till his chores were done. 2 minus 1, that leaves 1. 1 good friend outside all alone She stopped playing and also went home. No one outside is having fun because our friends were outside. Now there are. Now students, sit in a circle with your family and discuss with them what you have done since morning. I will come up with many more new videos. Stay in touch children, do your work, play indoor games for your safety. Happy learning kids, stay at home, stay safe, take care of yourself.